Hey, welcome to the Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the Picanha we did on the SNS Master Kettle with rotisserie. Yeah, I'm Craig, man behind the hammers, Jack. Yes, I know I saw a bunch of questions out there and SNS answered, others people answered it, but the original rotisserie or the rotisserie from SNS Grills does fit on the Master Kettle. We have some nice picanha here. I got this from Costco. I only got 4 slices, tried to keep them a little bit thicker just because of what I'm doing and trying to make it easier to get them on the rotisserie itself. So got this fired up. I have the charcoal baskets in, so I'm going to put those to the outside. This is going to run in the middle and we'll see how it plays out. I am going to probe in the steaks here so we can kind of keep an eye on what the temperatures are doing, and looking forward to it. I'm expecting this to work out really nice. So let's get it on the grill. All right, let's get this on. If you can see the way I have it set up here. I think I got it pretty much centered in the middle here. I'm gonna actually take the basket and move it down a little bit so it's centered here. All right, we'll bring it back as this thing cooks along. All right, so we're just past 80, so we just want to take a peek and show you this. Wow, does that look nice. I also realized I grabbed my wrong skewer because I went to put everything in and do it. I'm like, wait a minute, this don't fit right. Actually, I have my Komodo Joe skewer in here, so I just got to make sure it sits right on this thing, but it's working fine. Gonna let that go to about 115, 118 maybe to pull it, because it'll rise a good 10 degrees as it rests, because we're running the grill around 400 degrees right now. All right, so we're a little past 100, but I thought we'll just take some temperatures here right away. What I want to do, because some of these small pieces are going to be done already, but the middle pieces here, and that's where the probe is kind of centered there, but I'm missing this one at 102. We're going to let it go for maybe 5 or 10 more degrees. Again, we don't mind something that's almost rare, and this is going to rise when it's up, but that fat is looking nice. Getting it nice and crusty on the outside. Nothing's catching fire here. Boy, it looks beautiful. So it rose to 120 where the probe is, and again, it's hard to hit the exact spot with this one, but I just want to see what this one is doing. I hit the hold button. It's only 103 here, but again, this baby's going to rise because it was rocking pretty good here. So you know what? I lie. I'm going to do 5 more minutes, and then, or 5 more degrees, and then we're done. We'll be a little past on the one, but that big one's going to be right perfect medium rare. All right, so we rose that little bit. We're just going to pull it off. Again, might be a little under in that one, but I don't want the rest to go too far. See you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. The picanha on the SNS Master Kettle with rotisserie. Unfortunately, I picked the wrong rod up out of the cabinet when I went to put it in, and that's why it didn't fit exactly as it should, because it does fit perfectly, and the round part sits in the hole and the thing can't move out. I had to keep bumping it in, but I couldn't kind of do anything at that point that I made a mistake, so just went with it. They mentioned in the beginning that I just salted these 24 hours in advance. Like I said, these are probably going to be pretty well done. I'm going to probably cut one in the middle here and cut this one. We're probably going to be a little bit on the raw side of this one. Not raw, but rare side, because again, it was about 115, 110 or so when I pulled it off, but it probably rose to 120. So Let's see what that one looks like in the middle. And then I'll cut the other one too, just to do it. Actually, no, that doesn't look bad at all. That's actually a nice medium rare there. Make sure that was the right one I was temping too. Yeah, and that one's kind of medium rare yet almost to the medium side. Let's get a slice, and we want to get a little bit of that fat cap on there too. And right now I'm cutting against the grain. Because like I said, the traditional is just salt, and you capture a little bit of that fat cap when you eat a slice of this. Man, that salt brine, like I said, I just really love that flavor of the crust. It gives it a little bit of fat. It's gonna be a good dinner tonight. Rotisserie does fit on the SNS Master Kettle, in case anybody was questioning or didn't see some of the posts that said it did, but figured we'd show it anyway. So hope you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notifications, and we'll see you next time.